So how can I hide control panels on Wix tutorial? I hope you're gonna find this short video helpful. If you have more questions about Wix website, let me know in the comment section. If your suggestions for the next Wix editor tutorial, let me know in the comment section. And if you find this helpful, subscribe for more. I would really appreciate it. So what we're gonna have to do to hide controls, all these controls, all the everything, it more like you go and you see the preview, right? And you hide everything, but you're not clicking on the preview to hide everything like I'm clicking right now and on the preview button, and now I don't see anything. You're not in the preview mode. But this very interesting feature I found which could be helpful. So I'm just editing and I quickly want to see the website, how it looks without the distractions. So without how I think all these distractions here. So this button is located right here. If you click on this, now you can hide controls. And yeah, I think this can be very helpful because now you can still just edit. You can't edit in preview mode, right? You can't edit. You can even just, like just edit, right? Just edit. You can just edit. And if you just want to go back, you just click on here, back to show controls. And I think while I'm editing, while I'm designing, how I found this helpful is just I want to see quickly how the website looks like without the this here. I can, right? I just need to click there and hide controls, right? So yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.